Hello, everyone. Welcome to web development. So similar to a restaurant kitchen where multiple cooks prepare different parts of a meal, web development involves various roles and skills to deliver a complete digital experience. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna briefly explore like the diverse and high-paying roles in this field and understand the different areas of expertise and see how we can find our niche in the world of web development. So the digital world we navigate daily would not exist without web developers because they are the architects behind the websites and applications that we normally use. Web development roles are crucial and highly rewarding. So it reflects the significance in our digital lives. So let's look into what makes these roles so essential. So for those of you who are new to web development, the terminology can be difficult and daunting. So understanding the roles, responsibilities, and technologies is key to finding your place in this field. Whether you're visually inclined or analytical or interested in apps, maybe apps run on mobile, there's a role for you. Let's first look at front-end development. So front-end developers who are basically like the interior designers of the web. So they basically work on everything that the users interact with. So from looking at styles and colors to buttons and menus. So their toolkit primarily uh, consists of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So if we look at these HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, what HTML is used to structure content. CSS is used for styling, and JavaScript is used for functionality. So, for example, say you want to add a sign up for a newsletter or on a website that deals with HTML for the form, and you will use CSS for styling and JavaScript for processing the input. So these skills would be fundamental for a front-end developer to possess. Now let's look at the back-end world. Back-end developers usually work behind the scenes. They would deal with managing the server, database, and application logic. And what they ensure is that everything runs smoothly when a user performs actions such as logging in or making a purchase. So you can think of the backend is about functionality and efficiency, and it can involve multiple different languages and tools because backend is not confined by the web browser and web standard. So let's look at backend technologies. So backend development requires knowledge of programming languages, database management, APIs, and web servers. We'll delve into this later. So it's a bit more complex than front-end development. I I would say front-end development is also getting complex, but uh, its backend development is complex in a sense that it requires a deeper understanding of IT infrastructure and the workings of internet. And full stack development, you probably heard of full stack development, full stack developers. basically, full stack developers are the all-rounders. They would have expertise in both front-end and back-end development. So full stack development role requires a comprehensive understanding of the web development cycle and therefore making it a highly sought after and well compensated position in the IT industry. And for the web development course, we are going to teach you both front end and back end. So in conclusion, whether you're drawn to the creative aspects of the front end or the logical challenges of the back end or the comprehensive approach of full stack development, there's a place for you in the web development. So your journey usually starts with understanding these roles and honing the required skill.